At Lakeland College, learning goes far beyond the classroom. Here, students don't just study their field, they live it. In fact, 96% of Lakeland's programs include work-integrated learning opportunities, from practicums and field placements to immersive, real-world projects that connect classroom theory with industry practice.
Work-integrated learning helps students apply what they've learned in class to real situations, building the skills and confidence employers are looking for. It's all about bridging the gap between education and employment. Our students graduate job-ready with experience already on their resumes.
These experiences give students a head start, helping them make professional connections, understand industry expectations, and discover where they truly want to go after graduation.
With my work-integrated learning experience during my time at Lakeland College, I was able to practice essential skills that will make all the difference in what to expect after graduation. I feel prepared to enter the workforce.
Lakeland's work-integrated learning coordinators are here to help every step of the way, from finding the right placement to getting the most out of the experience.
We help students maximize their learning, connect with industry, and turn their classroom knowledge into career opportunities, while helping industry partners find the skilled, motivated people they need.
Work-integrated learning doesn't just benefit students. It strengthens industries, supports communities, and fuels our workforce with graduates who are ready to lead and contribute from day one. At Lakeland, learning is more than lectures. It's experience, it's opportunity, and it's how we help students build real skills for real success, on campus, in their careers, and beyond.